Hey everyone, it is Christopher and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very special for you. I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Before I get started, let me take some shots. So very quickly here, I did buy the bag last year for my birthday in 2018. Took it back, long story short, very long story short, took the bag back and knew I wanted it before the year ended. So what better time than around Christmas time to treat myself for the bag. The close of the year, I worked hard and that's why I bought it. Alright, so let's get started with the unboxing. So of course it comes in the Louis Vuitton bag. It does have the Christmas packaging on it with the red ribbon with the gold. I really loved the packaging last year with the gold ribbon, and even the bag last year around holiday had the gold accents on it. But however, I didn't buy it for the shopping bag or the box. I really bought it for what's inside. So let's just unbox it. Did come with a blank card. Thought at least I would get a nice warm message in it, but not so much. Alright, so put that to the side. I hate messing up the ribbon. Super hate it, so I just slide it off the box. Alright, it does come with the magnetic box, which you all are probably familiar with. But if you've never seen it, then that's the type of box that Louis Vuitton comes in. Alright, you open it up. It does come in a dust bag. And, are you ready? I bought the Louis Vuitton District bag in the PM size in the monogram Eclipse pattern. So I love this bag. I've seen it in several prints, and just all of a sudden when it first came out, it didn't really strike me. I loved it, but it wasn't a have to have. But I've seen it a few times and I was like, okay, I love this bag and I can see me in it. It's petite, it's small, it's functional, and it works. Maybe not so much for everyday bag. I will try it out wearing it so every day, but for my profession and just me as a person, I carry a lot of items. So I really see just a bag for the day or what have you. Maybe not so much for an everyday. However, so it comes with this. I love how the stamp, how they put the little whatever, the button in place of the LV, and it's right centered with it. So I thought that was really cool. It does have the magnetic closure. When you open up the bag, it has the strap for it, which is like a cotton strap or whatever type of fabric it is. I'm not too big on the specifics. But inside the bag, outside of that, just comes with the sticker, the item code. This item is M44000, and it's the District PM in the Eclipse Noir. So that's how it looks. Hopefully you can see it. If not, I will link the item below. Alright, inside the bag, it does have a few compartments. So in the front of the bag, it has a compartment. You can probably put maybe an iPad in it, maybe an iPad mini. And then in the bottom or back of the bag, it also has a larger compartment. So I will see what I can put in it, and maybe I'll do a what's in my bag. If you're interested in seeing what I carry or what all fits in this bag, please comment below. I'd be happy to share and do a video on it. But not a lot of items. What my goal is for this bag is to definitely get a wallet. I'm not sure if I want the browser wallet or the vertical zippy wallet. I looked at two in the store and couldn't make up my mind, and my friend was with me and she was saying go with one versus the other, and then I got kind of confused and I just said, you know what, I'll think about it and come back. So maybe I'll get it as a Valentine's Day gift to myself or something like that. What I also want to get is a key charm. I think I want to get the LV initials key charm just in the silver, as well as possibly a black like fox fur not a puff, but maybe like a foxtail, a shorter foxtail, or baby foxtail. I'm not sure. I have a vision for it. Once I see it, I don't know exactly what it is. But I do want to get those two items to kind of decorate this bag. Outside of that, that is about it. I just love, love, love this bag. I'm so happy that I got it again, and can't wait to use it and give you my review on it. I didn't see that many reviews on this bag, so I think a review would be helpful as far as in this print. But it seems, you know, it's Louis Vuitton, so it's good quality, hopefully, and should last a long time. This is not my first Louis Vuitton piece. I have several Louis Vuitton pieces. Bags and articles of accessories as well, like scarves and what have you. So love the brand, one of my favorite brands. And yeah, so that's about it. I'm not going to yap too much. Don't want the video to be too long. However, I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up. Like it, subscribe to my channel. There is a lot of good content coming soon. I thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.